Here's how to download and install the iOS 26 public beta in 4 quick steps. Let's go. Step 1, check your requirements. In order to enable beta software updates, you'll need a device that supports iOS 26, is updated to at least iOS 18.5, and is enrolled in Apple's free public beta program at beta.apple.com. Step 2, create a new backup of your device. In order to protect your data and enable a downgrade to iOS 18 in case anything goes wrong, create a new backup of your device. This can be done via iCloud or by plugging into a Mac through Finder. Step 3, turn on beta software updates. In order to receive the download prompt, you'll need to enable beta software updates in Settings. You can find this in Settings, General, Software Update, Beta Updates. Make sure the correct Apple account displays at the bottom of the page. Select the iOS 26 public beta option and tap back to return to the previous screen. Step 4, download and install the update. On the software update screen, there should now be an update prompt with the option to update now or update later tonight. Choose Update Now and iOS 26 will begin downloading. Once the download is complete, follow the on-screen directions to begin installation. Allow approximately 10 to 20 minutes for installation to complete. Now you're ready to enjoy iOS 26. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.